Just for a change of pace, I'm going to start doing some work on my REO Gold Comet. Coming right up. Hey, how's the jokes and welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Duff and I run a one-man shop out here in South Africa with occasional help from some crazy dudes. So I rescued this old girl about 1.5 years ago when I learned about the auction of some old trucks and construction equipment. It was in a town nearly 800 kilometers from here, so I drove all the way out there to go and have a look. There was an amazing collection of old trucks, mainly diamond T's, heavy duty rigs, way too big for me. There were some fascinating old school graders and all sorts of equipment, massive engines, you name it. So like I said, heavy duty stuff, too big for me. But hidden amongst them was the REO Gold Comet. She talked to me. I had to bring her home. There she goes! So I can't say this for sure, but it's very possible that it's the only one in South Africa. It would seem that they are rare, very rare, no matter where you are. Very little info available. I scoured the internet, couldn't find much. But in all likelihood, it would seem to be 1959 to 61, thereabouts. It's a REO Gold Comet in E series. The engine is a straight 6 gas or petrol. From what I can find out, the displacement is 335 cubic inches. For my metric friends, that's about 5.5 liters, which would make it nearly 1 liter per cylinder. From information I gathered on the internet, the Gold Comet engine was famous in its day for its reliability, and it came with a 100,000 mile warranty back then. Can you believe it? I've been told it runs. We will need to fire it up soon. Would like to see that with my own eyes. I would love to get some more information on this truck. So if any of you guys know anything about REO, please let me know. There is a little bit of historical information available on Wikipedia, but I'd like to learn as much as I can. My plan is to turn her into a ramp truck so that we can haul old cars around. But it's a long-term project. I want to just take small bites out of it in between my other projects and things. But I think it's time now to take that first mouthful. So my buddy Wayne is going to come and help me just now to take out the front axle. This is an 8-ton truck, I think. These parts are heavy, man. One old man like me can't handle it by himself. Good morning, Wayne.
Yes, morning.
How's it?
The stud came out. There came the nut off. That's a bit better. This kind of works nicely, but it's your compressor that's right. You can't have a small compressor with these guns. You need a decent size.
Yeah, so whilst we're at it, we might as well get these wheels off and see what we discover.
That's it. See if we can figure out the braking system too.
Yeah, because this thing does not have any brakes.
Oh, come on.
It's been a fight, but it's coming, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Finally.
Huh?
Yeah.
Well done, brother. What do you need? A better lever.
Yeah.
Let me see what I can find. Oh, we got the drum off. Now to play in the kingpin. Look at that. Wow. The bearings doesn't look bad here. This brake shoe will have to be relined. This one doesn't look too bad. Drum is in a pretty good condition. It can do with a slight reskim. But nothing serious, eh? Awesome. Some pretty serious stripping going on here. Well, drums are off.
On a 1950 what?
59, I think, eh? 59, 60.
So it's basically 60 years old.
Yeah, at least.
Well, let's see, I'm going to.
At least.
Sure.
So we got to take the front axle out now because the kingpins are very warm.
Yeah.
So we're just undoing the tie rod. So Wayne is about to attack this tie rod end with a big ass hammer to see if it can come off.
Right.
60 years later.
60 years, yeah. No.
Allah! Well done, man.
Oh, awesome, awesome. Not so bad, eh?
This is why we want to take the front axle out. Look at this play. That's kingpin, bushes and kingpin probably. We need to take the whole front axle out.
Bushes and kingpin, yeah. Yeah, the whole lot will have to be done.
Yeah.
And then it a bit what? Knock it out a little bit, tap it out. Right, and then off with the nuts. Yeah, he's loose enough. Okay.
Hey Wayne,
Oh,
careful you don't get your hands dirty, eh?
wouldn't want to do that now. And down it comes.
There she blows.
Hope it didn't bend anything. Right.
Now we're going to get it out. Okay, Wayne, let's see if we can get this puppy out of here.
Hey, that's what. It's a heavy thing. Oh, the floor.
Not bad, eh? Look at
Right. No, not too bad.
that. Look at us.
Dirty enough.
But we achieved what we wanted to achieve.
Yeah, no,
Thanks, brother.
good. We did good.
We did good, eh?
Good. That's it.
I'm going to get this thing cleaned up. And then we can see what we can do to sort this out.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, the power just went out. But we made it just in time. I'm very happy with the progress we've made. I can get some parts sorted out now. We'll get those brake drums machined, etc. Sort out the wheel cylinders, kingpins. So I feel we make good progress. So the kingpins needs to be replaced. And these backing plates are in the way, they need to come off, but they are riveted on for some strange, bizarre reason. So the only way to get them off is to grind the heads of the rivets and knock them out. When all is said and done, I'll just use some high tensile bolts instead of rivets. So I've got all the rivets knocked out. There's all the rivets I took out. They will eventually end up in China. So it should come off. And don't laugh at my workbench. I've got this thing already half loaded onto my truck when I realized that this needs to come off. Let's see. Come on. There we go. So now we can access the kingpin and the bushes. And you can see there's quite a bit of play here. And I'm going to take this beefy front axle to my buddy Andre at Toolmaker Pro so that he can sort out these bushes, possibly make new kingpins for me, because he's just much better than I am on the lathe.